Sorting is one of the most common data preparation techniques that is used widely and very frequently. You can see the shipping dates, right? It's not in the in any particular order, right? We have 2016, then 15, 14, back to 17, 16, right? But let's say we want to see our data sorted by shipping date, right? Starting from the earliest date to the latest one. So what we can do is we can simply select the shipping date, and we go to this option, sort and filter. You select the sort ascending, right, and then you expand and sort. Why do you need to expand? Otherwise it is just going to sort this column and it is going to leave out the rest of the data. So we are going to select expand and sort. Flash fill is another data prep technique, right? I'll tell you the use case. So you can see that we have around 10,000 records almost, right? So let's say the this two character code in between in the product ID, let's say it is the location code, right? The requirement is such that you have to type out the location code. Just imagine typing out for 10,000 records. So there is a shortcut, like you typed one or two options, right, and then you can press Control plus E. So text to column is another important technique, and the use case is that let's say you have these customer names, okay, and you want to split it into two columns for first name and last name. Okay, I can call it, let's say, first name, then I'll call this column last name, right? I am going to select this cell and I am going to type. I can select it from here, as well as I can go to the data option. Over here you will find split text to column. Okay, you have to select a delimiter, right? So you can see the delimiter over here is a space. We don't have any other thing. So delimiter is something by which two words are separated. Okay, so I'll select space and apply. Right, you can see now the name has been splitted into first name and last name, right? And if you want to do for the entire thing, you have to select the entire data set, you do split and you select space.